Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. When changing the clutch in the car's engine, do you also have to change the engine flywheel? Well, not even the manufacturers agree. There are manufacturers that indicate that when the clutch is changed, the engine flywheel must also be changed, but we also find another manufacturer that says the opposite, that it can be changed the clutch perfectly, checking that the engine flywheel is in good condition, and what would be advisable would be to change it when engaging the second clutch. You see that not even they can agree. My advice is to have your mechanic check how the flywheel is, engine, and if you see that the flywheel is in good condition, install only the clutch kit, without having to change the flywheel, that is, change the clutch disc, the mass and the release bearing, or thrust bearing. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.